In the name of Allah, the most merciful, we start our class. Hello and welcome everyone. We are in the second intermediate grade, full plus 4, second semester. Our subject is English. Our lesson today, 4C. Let's see what happens. 1. Read and vocabulary. Prepare and presented by Muhammad Falah. Let's start everybody. What we are going to learn today. Number 1, gonna present vocabulary about an experiment. How exciting. Then we can answer some question after reading the passage. After that, I'm gonna help you to create expectation about the text. Okay? So warm-up question, everybody. Have you ever made an experiment in your science lesson? Have you ever made an experiment in your science lesson? Any experiment, everybody. Can you explain? Like this one. The battery and lamps with wires. Can you explain the experiment? This is an experiment, everybody. Okay? This one is an experiment. Okay. Let's see what happens. What are the colors of a rainbow? Do you know the color of the rainbow? Listen, read, and find out. Listen, read, and find out. Let's listen, everybody.
4C. Let's see what happens. 1. Read. A. What are the colours of a rainbow? Listen, read, and find out.
White light. A lot of people have the impression that white light, for example sunlight, has no colour at all. However, this is a myth. White light contains all the colours of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Follow the instructions below to see all the colours in white light. Experiment. Make a rainbow. You need a sprayer or a garden hose, a sunny day. When the sun isn't very high in the sky, this experiment works better. So, for ideal results, do this experiment late in the afternoon. What to do? 1. Fill the sprayer with water. 2. Stand with your back blocking the sun. Have something dark, for example a large plant, in front of you. 3. Spray water in the air. Remember, it is possible that you'll get a little wet. Now move around in a circle. If you do this experiment correctly, you see the 7 main colours. That's your rainbow.
Okay, we just listen to this exciting experiment, everybody. Read and take the correct picture according to the experiments. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. Please pause the video, read the text again, then come back and take. This one, start with picture number 1. Is it correct or no? It's cloudy. No, of course. What about this one? His face and the sprayer is toward the sun. Of course, no, wrong, according to the experiment. This one, his back and the sun here, of course, according to the experiment, it's correct. What about this one? Is it a rainbow here? Of course, no. And number 5, of course, this one is a rainbow. Okay, so number 3 and number 5, according to experiment, is correct. Okay? Read again and answer the questions. Number 1. Which colors does white light contain? Which colors does white light contain? Of course, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Again, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Number 2. What do you need to do the experiment? What do you need to do the experiment? What do you think? Of course, you need sprayer or a garden hose. Number 3. When is it best to do the experiment? When? Of course, late in the afternoon. Late in the afternoon. Number 4. What can you use to block the sun? What can you use to block the sun? Of course, you can use a plant. You can use a plant. Number 5. What happened at the end of the experiments? Of course, you see the 7 main colors. You will see the 7 main colors. Okay? Evaluation time, everybody. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. You have impression, instructions, ideal, filled, blocking, circle, main, and possible. You have to know the meaning of these words to answer these questions. Number 1. Is it blank to see the inside of the palace? Is it blank? What do you think? Choose one of these words. Is it blank to see the inside of the palace? Of course, the answer is it possible? Okay? Possible. Something can do. Able to do. Possible to see the inside of the palace. Number 2. From the look on her face, I got the blank that she didn't like the food. I got, of course, the impression. Okay? Look on her face. Impression. Okay? I got the impression that she didn't like the food. Okay. Number 3. This hotel is blank for families with young children. This hotel is ideal, perfect for families with young children. 4. The morning sun blank the room with light. The morning sun filled the room with light. Number 5. One of the blank reasons he didn't go to university is that he didn't have enough money. He didn't have enough money. One of the, of course, main essential reasons he didn't go to university is that he didn't have enough money. Number 6. Follow the blank on the box carefully. Follow the, of course, instructions. Okay? Instruction. Number 1, do this. Number 2, do that. All these instructions on the box carefully. Number 7. He drew a blank on a piece of paper and then made a face on it. He drew a circle on a piece of paper and then made a face on it. Number 8. I can't see who is over there because there is a tree, of course, blocking my view. Blocking my view. That's why I can't see who is over there. Okay? Got it? This is the end of our class. In this lesson, we have recognized new vocabulary about an experiment. Then we read the text. After that, we answered question about text.